I just wrote you a Facebook review.
You will love it.
Oh, thank you. Let me check it out.
Oh, excellent.
I'm not seeing it.
Well, I promised you I
Wrote it.
I have felt so guilty and so frustrated when my clients have written me a review on Facebook that I couldn't find. And I'm sure you felt the same way too. But now I have a step-by-step method for digging up these reviews. So let me show you. Step 1. I need to quickly mention this step for those of you watching who don't see any of your reviews, and that is to make sure your reviews tab is on. So on your Facebook page, scroll down to settings, and then go to templates and tabs. You'll see here that my reviews tab is toggled on, and if yours isn't toggled on, turn it on. You'll also see you can move your reviews tab up and down, and if you keep the tab as one of the top 3 or 4 items here, it should appear here on your page and be more obvious rather than be relegated to the more section. Okay, so now that you have your reviews tab on, it's time for step 2. And this is where you change how you see your reviews. So when you click on your reviews tab, chances are it's automatically set to show your most helpful reviews, but you'll see it's not at all that helpful because you'll see here on the left that it says I have 11 reviews, but on the right, only the first few show and then it goes blank. So go back up here and change it to show the most recent reviews. This might fix the problem for you. And by the way, if you're liking this video so far, it would mean the world to me if you would hit the like button. That tells YouTube to show this video to more people. Thank you so much. Okay, so if step 2 didn't fix everything yet, it's time for step 3. And that's where you're gonna ask your customer about the settings of their review. So when someone leaves a review, that review should automatically be set to public, which means that anyone should be able to see the review, including you. But your customer might have changed the setting, they might not have known what they had done, and now very few people can see the review. The good news is that this is easily fixed, and let me show you something that's super cool. Just ask your customer to go to their personal Facebook profile, and let me show you on mine, and then ask them to click on more near the top-ish of their page, and then click on reviews given. Now my profile, here are the businesses I've reviewed, and you'll see they all have a globe icon, meaning they're public. Ask your customer to locate the review they gave you, and then ask them to click on whatever icon is next to that review, and now they'll be able to see all the public and privacy settings. So if the review wasn't already public because one of the other options was selected, they can go ahead and switch it to public. But let's say you still don't see your customer's review. Then it's time for step 4, and you're going to get on live chat with Facebook, because at this point it's a Facebook issue. They need to own up to it and fix it. I sound like I'm bitter towards Facebook. I'm not really, but they should fix it. And I've created a step-by-step video that shows you how to reach live chat because you have to go through several screens. So if you need that video, click right up here. And when you're ready to really impress on Facebook, check out this video in the top right corner. I roast 7 bad Facebook posts and show you how to fix them so we can all learn from this and just be great on Facebook. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.